ask you one question. So what is the light? Okay. So as we all know that when we consider different things about light, okay, like what do you mean by light? So light is nothing but energy. Some says light is nothing but energy. Some says light is an electromagnetic wave. Some says light is having particle nature. That is, it is made up of particles. Okay. So different scientists give different opinions about light. Okay. So which we have to consider. Okay. Now as you all know that because in earlier days, okay, the scientist whose name is Newton, you all know this, okay, you all know him. So he said that light is made up of corpuscle. That is, light is a kind of energy, okay, which is made up of small particles, small and tiny particles, which are called corpuscles. Okay, so he proposed one theory which is called Newton's, which is popular by the name of Newton's corpuscle theory. According to this theory, light is made of small number of particles like corpuscle. So, in this theory, he explained that light is made up of small and tiny particles which are called corpuscle. Then, the color of light is depend upon the size of corpuscle. Also, how we can able to see these colors. Okay, so when the different colors, different corpuscles having different size, okay, so it enters in our retina, so we will get the sensation of light. Then he states that speed of light in denser medium is greater and speed of light in rarer medium is less. So after this theory, okay, or we can say that beside this theory, okay, the scientist which is from another country, which is called as, whose name was Hygiene. Okay, so Hygiene states that, so the light is made up of electromagnetic waves. He states that light is made up of waves. Okay, light is made up of waves, and the velocity of light in a rarer medium is more as compared to the velocity of light in a denser medium. Okay, then he also states that we can able to see the different colors of light because of the different wavelengths of light. Okay, so after that, in this chapter we will see about the reflection of light. Okay, so what is meant by the reflection phenomenon of light? Okay, what is meant by reflection? So when the light ray is incident on any surface, it will get bounced back. Okay, that bouncing of light ray is called reflection. It is called reflection of light ray. Okay, so can we say that from anything, your concept must be clear. Reflection is not only because the light ray is incident on the mirror and it will get reflected, right? Light will reflect it from all the surfaces, even me and you. Okay, uh, for dark surfaces also. Okay, but the quantity of reflection may differ. Okay, may differ because of the object, because of the object material and its surface. Okay, so as you all know that what is my reflection? It is the bouncing of light ray when the light ray is incident on any object. So in this chapter we do not consider the scattered reflection. Okay, we will consider only plain reflection, and it is because of mirrors only. Then because of complete reflection, okay, because of the mirrors only. Then after that, in this reflection, okay, so the light ray is, when light ray is incident on any mirror, so it will get reflected back. So for that we have to consider some laws of reflection. Okay, because mirror are also different types. Then there are also different types of surfaces, like plane surface, then curved surface, then irregular surface. So there are two types of reflection also, that is plane reflection, which we will see in case of mirrors, and irregular reflection. Okay, which is we can say that reflection through plane surfaces and reflection through rough surfaces. Like if there are some glass, there are some glass glass particles which are fall on the road, and the light will get reflected from them. Okay, so then this is called reflection. Okay, in this chapter we learn about the reflection from the plane surfaces. Okay, when light ray is incident on the plane surfaces like mirrors, so the light ray will get reflect back. Okay, among this reflection there are two laws of reflection which follows the light. Okay, these laws are these laws are reflection these laws for reflection are nothing but, the first law is the incident light ray, when if we consider this is the mirror, okay, when the light ray is incident on the part of mirror, so the light ray is called incident ray. This ray is called incident ray, okay. And the point where the light ray incident, okay, we have to do one normal, we have to draw one normal over there, okay. If we draw one normal that is perpendicular to this point, okay, let us consider this straight line, okay. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is called angle of incidence. When the light ray is incident on a mirror, so it will get reflected back into the same medium, okay. So the angle of incidence made by the light ray is exactly equal to the angle of reflection, that is, now this ray is called reflected ray, and the angle between the reflected ray and normal is called angle of refraction, okay, reflection, okay. This is the reflection phenomenon. The angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection, okay. This is one law, this is the second law of light ray, and the first law, right? Now look at this, the light ray, the incident ray, normal and the reflected ray, all are lies in one plane, or all are lies in same plane. So can we see that the first law is the incident light ray, the normal and the reflected light ray, all are lies in same plane, or all are lies in one plane, okay.